Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Soupy Yippee Noodles. Start by gathering instant noodles, broth, vegetables, aromatics, and a medium pot. Then heat the broth to a simmer and add aromatics to infuse flavor before adding noodles and vegetables. Warm a splash of oil in your pot. Then lightly sauté ginger, garlic, and scallions until fragrant, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add broth and bring to a gentle simmer. Then layer in soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a pinch of sugar so the soup tastes rounded and light. Drop the noodles into gently simmering broth so they absorb flavor while cooking. Stir occasionally to prevent clumping. Taste for doneness a minute before package time for perfect chew. And if the soup seems thin, add a small ladle of reserved starchy water to create a silky, soupy mouthfeel without diluting flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.